Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Gizmo Guru. And today, instead of a gizmo, we've actually got a cleaning spray. And I'm going to go over what it is, what it does, and how I like it. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So today, we're going to be reviewing Tuff Stuff, which is a multi-purpose foam cleaner. And the reason I decided to review it is I've been using this cleaner for about 6, 7, 8 years now, and it's great, especially in vehicles. You can do headliners, carpeting, dashboard, anything that's vinyl, carpet, rubber, you name it. This stuff will clean it, and it's mostly a spot cleaner. I've never done like a whole car with it. Like I've done the dashboard, but I've never done like entire floor mats with it. But for like your headliner, dashboard, this stuff's great because it really gets in there, cleans it, especially steering wheels too. Just kind of hard to get places with like a rag or something. This just goes in, foams up, and cleans it all out. But yeah, this stuff I highly recommend it. They sell it at Walmart, Home Depot, pretty much anywhere that sells cleaning supplies. They'll have this stuff, and it's like super cheap. It's under $5, and this stuff's great. So if you want a really good all-purpose cleaner that'll get the job done, I highly recommend this stuff. There's a lot of other specialty cleaners out there that do the same thing, but this one's much cheaper, and I personally think it does a much better job. So I would definitely put this on my list if you need something to clean your car with that will do it.